Left or right?
Wow. If you like the sun. I remember, in order to avoid magic grounds, by the time we get to Los Cristianos, we can always probably you can figure if it's allowed. That's possibly the next thing. Well, anyone. It's possible. No, not him. He's not controlling it. Somebody must be. It could be the guy there, sitting there next to it. You need to have controllers.
Of course.
Because otherwise it's going to drop. No, it has always been. But anyway, one of the things, as I was saying, would have been to, instead of us doing our straight line.
You can come back here, but the opposite of the start. Let's go straight line from there.
Okay.
As you know, it's not even straight. It's just an oval.
Don't worry. I would just step around. Take musical as long as it's gives us.
12:30 we should reach La Barca.
Just try to start slow, not to hurt any muscles. It's not like remember when you go to the gym, you kind of push that up to your limit. I always think that instead of you going all the way through, you just push slightly, you keep climbing.
Sure, this will be because somebody's over.
And then when I reach that peak, then you go down again. But there's certainly more waves this year than last year.
More waves?
Yeah. Because if the surfers are on the wrong place.
there anyway, surfers.
The issue with the cocktails we had last night is that they are kind of blocking the.
There seems to be more seats here than usual. That's rich.
Compañeros.
Yeah.
It's looks like that.
Devices behind steering.
I am true.
That's why I went.
Yeah, so I'll take the names. You see at the Playa Honda plate there.
Walk on the beach, maybe?
You've lost me in my way. I can't move. If I have to move, need to really to relax on. So I'm relaxed. It's not work. It's look. In other circumstances, you would have taken this picture, right? Would you not?
But I'm
I would. You know, but you would not. I would still like the picture. It's I trust that it's open, but I'll only be sure when I sit down and check. But it is filming.
There's more waves here.
Yeah, I get the sense that it's much more strong or intense. I don't know how to describe the waves. Are they strong? Are they intense?
It's a high
High waves, slow waves, fast waves. You should take this to show to your parents what it means to, because they can come to Tenerife. It's 70 euros per week. Which is, wow. If they don't want to pay subscription for the bus, this would still look like steep. Because I guess the bus was only asking for 6 euros or whatever it was. No, we were talking about the fund, and we were wondering how they would travel. And they were looking at this subscription, and they ended up concluding that the subscriptions. You don't remember the discussion we had? He would probably think that he's racing or something. I like the sound of this. Maybe we should just sit down at the table. You want to sit down?
It's walk 10 minutes.
Alright. Let's walk at least 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, then we can sit down. Okay, sit down after.